Supercharge Summit is over for day one. It is now time for the VIP dinner, and I see it right there. People are lining up to eat food. Yesterday I showed you the lunch, which was mostly sandwiches. Dinner is generally something a little more fancier, so let's see what we got here for dinner. We have salad, more salad and fruits here. Salad, fruits, and I see bread. Hey Jill, it looks good. It's got bread, and is that poke? It is poke. Yeah, it's tuna and salmon poke. And look, we have, oh, it's an Asian flair today. We got rice. And we have, looks like a stroganoff dish, no? Okay. All right, and look, chicken and roasted baby carrots. Very good. And this is Hawaiian barbecue chicken. That's nice. And ooh, look at these spare ribs. Hoisin glazed baby back ribs. Really, oh, that looks nice. It smells great. And we got some fish right here. Yeah, macadamia crushed mahi. And these are the sauces. And oh, look at that. Still one more thing on here. I see. Look at it. I see. What is that? Tri-tips?
Here is a teriyaki skirt steak.
That's right. That is a grilled skirt steak. Very nice.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll get some of those in a little bit.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah. All right, so that's the VIP dinner tonight. And Carolina's a vegetarian. She cannot enjoy any of this. Poor her. Okay, so here you go. A well-balanced diet. I got my meat and I got my veggie. Can't complain about that. Good morning, everyone. John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to the .com Lifestyle Vlog. It is Saturday, February 17th, 8:28 a.m. So yesterday, I finished mob with $614.95. So not that great of a day for me, but so far this morning, I'm at $1,016.85. So I already beat all of yesterday and got lots of time to go today. Today is day 2 of the Supercharge Summit here at the SS Hotel in Las Vegas. And there's a lot of activity today. It's going to be a lot of fun because today is the check presentation ceremony. What that is Mold will be presenting checks to their affiliates who have earned commissions, and it's a lot of fun. It's a good way to show that this business works, that people are making money, and you'll see. Let's go. I have to admit, the choice of color scheme for this hallway at the SLS Hotel, it's pretty strange.
John, how you doing? Good morning.
Line up to take a picture with Jorge.
Hi.
Hey.
I used to tell my Spanish teachers.
Well, once you get up there.
Superstar.
My dream car, Maserati Quattroporte.
Okay, actually I had one last time I was in Vegas.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, my friend who lives here gave it a loan to me while we were here for Supercharge.
You know what? I gotta get friends like you got.
This stuff. The sugar that's not sugar.
So today we got a lot of action-packed training and information. It's going to be a little bit of a long day. I know yesterday was. However, what I always tell students is however long we need to sit in here to get the most amount of content, most amount of information, life-changing nuggets, I say we stay here as late as we need to. How many of you would agree with me on that? See, we like to under-promise and we like to over-deliver. The reason why I love these events so much is because you're hearing from actual affiliates that are working this business. Also, you're hearing exactly how they committed to the business and then what action steps they took to hit their success. Every single one of the affiliates that are up here all took massive amounts of action. They committed to the business. They positioned themselves properly, and they got mentored to fast track their success. Awesome. All right, next up, Diamond member, we have Alex Smith, $36,000. Wow. What's going on, Alex? I got the opportunity to meet Alec almost 2 years ago, and he's been in and out of the business, but you're going to start committed to the business more, correct? Yes. Mark and Natalie Nishi, and they're Diamond members, and she's made over $40,000 committed to this business. Next up, we have Carlos Martinez, $87,000 in commission. Carlos. Congratulations, sir. Celia and Perry Johnson, Diamond members, $91,000 in commission. Alex Ram, $180,000. $180,000. One of our Mo mentors. Some of you got a chance and opportunity to sit with Alex one-on-one. I highly recommend you do it so you can see the quality of mentorship that you can receive. Next up, Russell DeWitt. Everybody give a huge round of applause for somebody who's committed and dedicated to their success. And that is Mr. Kevin Klaus. $207,000. Mr. GQ. And Kevin is a big inspiration. You're going to be sharing your story this weekend as well, and your success as well. When Sunday? Yeah. Jorge Mateo. Awesome, Jorge. Miss Jill Vaverka. In less than 1 year of committing to this business, she has made over $534,000. Miss Rosanna Taylor. Miss Carolina Milano. $851. And this is just in the low business, and I believe online she's done a little over 1.4 million plus online. So next up on stage, you got the privilege of hearing this gentleman speak twice yesterday due to some technical issues and challenges we had. But I always love working with this gentleman because he's entertaining. He always has some great nuggets of education, information. He's been marketing online for many years. I believe he's done over 50 million blogging online. But in Mo, he's done over $4.1 billion. That's Mr. John Chow. Beautiful. Let's give John a huge round of applause. Good picture. So all the tall people in the back, All the tall people in the back. All right, so Rosanna, you got to go to the back. No, just kidding.
Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I'm coming to you from the SLS Hotel here in Las Vegas. I'm here for the MOB Supercharge Summit. Today was an exciting day because today was a check presentation ceremony. That is where MOB posed their big affiliates on stage to present them with a check for all their hard work. And I received a check. Check this out. I received a check for $4,125,554. Now, this check represents what I made from MOB since joining the company about 5 years ago. And it's been truly amazing because the last time I was here was back in October. That was 4 months ago. And the check amount back then was for $3.4 million. It is now $4.125 million. That means in 4 months, I added $725,000 to this check amount. So wow, pretty damn awesome. And I know the first question you're probably having is, how can I get involved with this? How do I do this? Well, trying to explain it would take a book to explain all this. Fortunately, I wrote one. All right, so below this video is a link to my ebook called The Ultimate Online Profit Model. This ebook details the 3 business models that I use to make money online and live the .com lifestyle. If you don't have a copy, you definitely need to get a copy. Links below this video. Go get your copy. And me, I need to figure a way to get this back to Orange County. I'm not gonna fit in a plane, so anyway, it's the kind of problem I have, okay? So I wasn't the only one who got a big check. Check out, there's checks here, there's checks over there, and there's, see, more checks. Pretty cool. Anyway, it is now time for lunch, so we're gonna go right around the corner with the VIP lunches. I figure I will get a little head start on everybody and grab all the food or just show what is for lunch today. Yesterday, you recall, we had a whole bunch of sandwiches, right? Sandwiches. Let's see what we got today. So today we have, starting, it looks like, well, we got a nice salad here. Nice salad with some green sauce. More salad with some brown sauce. Oh, look at that. I think, yeah, I think they're sticking with a Mexican theme today. So, yes, yep. And rice, beans, yep. Make your own taco day. Chicken, beef, fish, salsa, hot salsa, guacamole, chips, and tortilla soup, right? That's right, tortilla soup with a little fingerling thing. But what's good?
Dessert, don't forget dessert.
Oh, dessert? Oh, yeah, check out the dessert.
The best part.
That's the best part, right? So after you finish eating, you got churros. Oh, churros dipped in chocolate. And check out all these cakes. Yeah. Nice.
Flan, vanilla flan, banana cake, and tres leches.
Wow, there you go. That is the complete well-balanced diet. I see 2 people beat us to it already. Must be hungry people.
Yeah, they're eating.
Yeah. You couldn't wait for the rest of us, huh?
Nope.
Okay, yeah, I see how it is now. Okay. All right, that was a good lunch. We're getting ready to start the afternoon session. Russell's gonna go back on stage, and I think he's gonna talk about the importance of mentorship. Yeah. What should I drink? What should I drink? Yeah. Choices, choices, choices. All right, I guess Russell's getting ready to go.
How's everybody feeling?
Great! You can give 2 people the exact same recipe, and one person's going to get results, another person is not. And the difference is that 80% of psychology. So
It is now 5:45 p.m. The Supercharge Summit is taking a little break for the next speaker. So I think I'll update the stats. So this morning, I was thinking it was like $100-something, but it is now at $2,380.95. So not too bad for a Saturday. All right, I'm gonna put an end to this vlog right now. It's still one more speaker. I will stick around for that, and you can see her on the next episode. But for now, yeah, hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this vlog. And once again, if you're interested in finding out how I do this, below this video is a link to my ebook, The Ultimate Online Profit Model. It shows you the 3 business models that I use to make money online and live the .com lifestyle. You don't have a copy? Then go get yourself a copy. In the meantime, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. It does help me a lot. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.